It's like the shapile, eh?
Ah, what is this?
Ngwanaka, mpa, ke slatla. Ke dijo, wena wa itjella fela. Like it?
I want pizza.
Pizza? Pizza.
Ish. The time of the month when Ubaba turns into the budget police.
Papa, come on. No.
Hey, kumnandi ne? Ngama groza bag, ma popcorn, uza mabhika. Akulalo kanti endlini.
But beke ke re shebile mo.
Hayi, ayimove yani. Hey, eduru electricity.
Baba, Jolly toilet paper.
Mama.
Baba, seriously?
Hey, Chanel, toilet paper eduru.
Yini sokuthenjana qedwe ithenga.
Ah, ngesujeshini impilo zethu ke. Oh.
Baby. I can't transfer make sure that label it like a man.
Yeah.
And then Oscar is a failing. Oscar, please, Johnson is going to because Sutu, you go to the shop on Gausa.
Ah, ngba serinyaza.
Just.
Oh. Yini manje?
What is this?
Huh? Yini manje?
Sweat.
Hey, hi, bube, hi. Hi, tama sosengaka, hi baba, hi.
Welcome to my world, my life, my family, my friends. My highs, my lows, my ups, my downs, my future, who knows? My dad, pretty laid back. Oh, mama want me, always on my case. My sister, pain in the my little, there's a busy badela. My girl, see, who knows who modela? Who's got no choice? They come with the package. Ish, we are for a JJ, love of my life. This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. Sunday, this is how it goes.
Baby, I complain. Why is Halanga idea like a driver?
Ah, lapha kahlula physics baby ne budget.
Oh, and then idea enwe happy. Ya di tires for corner.
Baby, asifocus lana. Indabila.
Mamela hey baby.
Yeah.
Please. Oscar fihla late.
Hayi, angihlala nokuhlala.
Utsiba ona le Jerry.
Hayi.
Phela tshwanetse o tlo lokisa motšhini o Jamila ke rose.
Ngiyaza ngizolungisa.
And wo ke thato ga tsiya. Ka bona motšhini wo.
Ke mshini wangkhulu.
Exactly. Okay baby.
Vale, ngithi. Right, yeah.
Okay, no.
Sharp, mom. Ah, baby la. Sivukile sha.
That's my baby. Baby uska lebala. Musi wa lenyalo tlamile ko tete. Why le matha ka tumba?
Mama, Papa,
Ska mbuza ka papa wa gago utlwa. Ke nne tlhong.
get
Tsa mo e hlatswa man. Tsamaya wa metseng. Molweni wethu Mathandi. Kanti zilikufa Joyce. Ma, wantellane. Ratella, nna le wena ratellana, una respect.
Hayi bo
Ke nako ma.
Hey, 2 minutes nje.
Ke yena ka mosebetsi. Xolo wa eng? Ska ntella Joyce, ska just you too sweet. So wantella.
Yo.
Thanda ya tata le sekolo.
Hayi bethuna msike. Ngibona mina unestress kangaka namhlanje.
What's making Joyce? Ha ke roba le bosiu. Ke moso wa lenyalo ka mo tlamile ko qeta. Ke client ka mo intusi mo. Ina le changes every time.
Hayi, jo uyabona mntasika wena akufuneka ngiyigusha too much kule family yakhe qonda. Nokuthi kube ingcuka mntasika.
Le motšhiniki yo tlamile ba o fixa. O robetse kae? Why are you selfish? Why are you selfish? Ke bontsha everything. Ke clean ke paya. Ke tlhokomela bana. Ke a roka o etsa tšhelete. A utlwa ikio ka mo tlhokomela le. I appreciate it next.
Sisetla much.
O robetse kae bag?
Ithi phone.
Ke mo founetsa o thusa. O thusa next. Khale ke mo founetsa Joyce.
Bhekuzulu lona. Shimleza wakho
You
ngisafebhiza
hayi
manje.
voice note isixolo wethu. hayi mntase yaphona kaloku ungaduka lolu hlobo
Khathesi hle Joyce, ke khathesi.
hayi man sisi
Banna ba ke tswe wa ba le so ba tsona kaofela.
hayi man sisi man funa ubafaka endleleni abantu bakho nawe
Jwang Joyce, jwang.
nombuya
Jwang.
ndazi sisi man lokho si
Makoti ngiya kwi-job interview namhlanje njengoba bengishilo na izolo maya ngazi noma ungakwazi ukuthi ungisize nge-50 rand nyana ukugibela nje mangagibela
Uba fela. Le bo ngube ba tlo bona ditšhelete ke thola ka nna ke mine.
hayi mona uyayibona ngokumisebenzi yakho ayisuka
ngenzeni manje
hayi man suka
hayi man Joyce man angithi mina bengizifunela imali yokugibela ngoba ngiyakwi-job interview njengamanje njengoba ungibona mhlawumbe nawe ungangizama nge-15 i-50 nje
ubani mna angicingini ngetundaba usoze
mntana sekhaya 50 rand hawu ngiyacela please man uyazi ukuthini phela la ekhaya babheke mina yonke into manje kuthiwa ngiqeda amapaloni ngenzani ngibahlala bengicomplainela mhlawumbe mangathola umsebenzi nyana ngangcono mntana sekhaya i-50 nje ngihambe ngiyothola umsebenzi job interview ngiyabuya ngishapu ngizokubhadala
hayi ndingafane ndikusizele nje kodwa-ke izawubuya ine-interest 20%.
20%.
Masiyenze ngcono yazi 25%. Ke siyavana kuthi.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how we go. Sunday.
Open your book. Close your mouth. What are you all staring at? You've got worksheets to do. Do I have to spoon?
Mrs. Fanny-Kelberg with third trimester yakini, she's driving everyone insane.
I am 3 months pregnant. I will kill you!
It's baby number 4. I feel like a cow. All I do is eat and have babies and teach all of you, and you never listen. None of you ever listen.
The 4th child is a blessing. I've always wanted 4 children. Really. Ow! Don't push so hard. I'm pregnant. You could hurt the baby. I can't take it anymore. I'm going to go find a fan or a fridge or the North Pole or something. Just do your work. Legs, book, now.
Okay, all right, Mfethu. Ngiphethe plan lana.
Ngeke sikwazi ukwenza lokho. I mean like izomhlanyisa futhi. Yini manje wangibheke so?
Like, I'm really trying. I'm trying so hard to imagine you with a pretty face. Okay, guys. So like, this is about a free period courtesy of Ugenius Pty Ltd.
Uthi izosebenza lento yakho ithole futhi
Izosebenza Joe and ngithathe la uthande kathi ngakhona impahla zakhe.
kade umnyango uyasibani
Yeah, sure, plan manje. Okay, so guys, abona nje bangibeke la. Umema uzofika, ahlala acabanga ukuthi uyosuzile bese abe draft. Bese thina siba ne free period.
December lento yakho kwamele isebenza asifuni ukubuya la after break for idabula
Legs, now. Thank you.
Really? Hilarious. So original.
Look what I found. JJ's brain. And on that note, chapter 3, people. Gaseous exchange.
JJ's brains huh I bet that
Mina ngisemathandweni nomuntu wakho. Angifuni nix. Hayi wena. Ungenza ngifile also. Hey man.
Yabona ne uchaza ngamahlande nyuko umshado.
Every day is a surprise.
Yeah, that's good because I love surprises, hey?
Okay.
Oh, Nero. You're such a genius. My head is going to cry.
Oh, shame. Don't look at. Oh,
Actually.
Bona lenyalo ausi. Lenyalo qala monate ampe. Le qala ka wena wa pere mo so motho. O motla ampe wa lenyalo.
Ubedi nikisani keke wethu ni bethekisa glass nenzo shares.
And then the next thing, o tla bo nkga mahlatsa ngwana. O tla bo o fixa di pompo, o fixa. O lokisa di. O so ante ma ka ke toro. Ke ke toro.
What is what?
Right, grade 10s, I'm going to the bathroom. I might be a while, so I need you to focus on your work. JJ, legs, focus on your book, please. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, whoa. Yini ngenzeni? Understand ukuthi why wonke umuntu angikwatela why ngenzeni?
Because into yakhe iflopile, owaflopisile uyapheka njo.
If I'm informed, there's a silence as about sick of the mess, but more of the
Oh wow, how original.
Just as original as your fat face, hey.
Ikhathi ukuthi steam bomb. Ngiyancanya le idea sweetheart. Phela lapho umema kana choice, uzonuka iclass lonke. Kumele siqoshele sonke ngaphandle.
Okay, so Thandeka uthi ungasithenga.
Noma ubani angayenza steam bomb D.
Ungasiyenza?
Yeah, udinga nje amanzi nesulfur namaqanda and some other stuff.
Okay, asibangeneni ke guys. Oh,
Thina senze ma steam bomb. Imagine.
Sister, what was that? A C. Siyenza. No. Zoyenza. Not you, Quantum.
Thandeka sicela usenzele yona ke. Na ungasipayizisa.
Phola man, sukhala man. Khawuye kuba imashimalo nawe. Qina mntasekhaya, qina. Yeah. Nanko masimo izisa. Usimele asibone basebenza. Gena. Hey!
Nibahle kanjani?
Kunqilile.
Hayi man, machoy man, awukahle kancane man. Yini wena? Yini ngawo?
Ha ke o tlamile wa interview. O tsamile jwang? Nka ra wa ya wena.
Ha malume buyise 50 rand yam please ndiyacela mntasekhaya. Buyise 50 rand yam.
Yazi imbuzo yenu mina. Imbuzo 20 lemati. Yini ubani oshadayo la? Yeah? Niyashadisa. Wena Joyce na? Uyashada? Yoba kuzama this time. Chimu twari sidaka.
Ngeza? Ungeza? Yeah. Sunyembesi. Hayi basitoni ngoku khona yini bekunanthula mntasekhaya.
Joyce, show me that you get up at first.
Haza mncede mntasekhaya.
What's like stressed? Serious.
Uzawuthini kodwa mntasekhaya? Yo.
Are you aware hore le mosiolo wa lenyalo o ke sa o qetang? Ke bile ka tlameha ke hore ke o fe motho a o qetelle. Ke di cost tse ding tse o mos. I bet you on cost serious.
Ibusiness njani?
What ngivusa?
Beki.
Eish. Gospel seyiphelile. Yaphela.
Daddy, you're back.
Back from work. Oh, ungangena ebhedeni mina. Ngawela ngale sayidini ngale 7 all night. Uzokuphula ungala kakhulu. Ngimasatshela.
Ayanda. Kamoreng yago.
Marapa.
Ke kopa o ye kamoreng yago ngwana.
Nyaza mama yazo. Hawu.
So Beki. O batla go ntjwetsa hore nako e kaofela. Nna ntse ke robetse hodima bethe. Wena o no o ile o robetse fatshe ha ka o bona.
Njani?
He?
Hawu, shudi umuntu uyaguga ngamaphela. Umbona vele. Awunaki phela ngithi.
What's like imihlobo?
Yo, khathela. Umuntu uyaguga serious.
Hey Butisi. Umthetho wakho wena ulala unxibe ihlangu zifomana.
Yo.
Yoho.
Phil. Juba. Lalela sana. Amen. Azukwenzakala. Sikutshela kwenzakaleni. Bengihambe ngingaya kuJerry. Fika kuJerry ke saploma. Ngabe sekulate fanele ngibuye njengomuntu responsible yabo. Ngidlula lapha. Yabona bakhabo pasana lapha ngasemadadeni ekhoneni. Ngadlula khona. Ngavuma kwezinye ibhala. Qhwayimeza. Asizangithatha sesiyala lapha ngubhutubhutu khithi ukhunyuka ngibale ngiye bala ngiye ngazi nje bala ngidlula nje ngimemeza ke umuntu ongizwile fika lezasa khona ukuthi cishe bangibulala labantu bangibulala impilo yabo lapha bathathe elkedeng
Bhuti, uthi bakuthathele yonke into?
Ya.
Nansi ifoni yakho ne-wallet nje bakuthathele ntoni?
Man. Ake ubani wena kathi empilweni yami?
Bhuti phuma nenyani. Umuntu wabathu uRobert Kai. Into esempuli.
Robert Kai.
Yes.
Awurobana bengibaphetha ngobuthongo.
Okay.
Amalibhelu.
Bheki yonke.
Wasasebeka ngapha chief tana. Ayizana soyibeka ngapha. Chief tana. Oh my gosh. Chief tana isebe. Ya izana soyibeka ngapha. Beka ngapha phansi kwestudio.
Bafethu, umeme uyazwakala, plumani phansi.
Somebody died in here. Somebody call an ambulance. I think I'm having the baby. Who did this? Santeka, to the principal's office right now.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how we go.
Wenze into right, funeka afunde isifundo.
Jini Joyce, fundo usifundile ke uplo sorry Joyce.
Uzawuphinda yenze le nto.
Jini, ke mangotlo msayisa njono.
Ngoba ndiyahlekisa nje mna.
Ngiba ngotlo massage amauto.
Ndizawucela malume.
Yeah, Joyce. Hayi nake mongoputsi serious. Ase folder, ke folder chomi ya hayi mus.
Nguye sizi
Chomi ya hayi, chomi ya hayi yeki yona.
Ubani?
Chomi ya hayi.
Hayi nguye.
Hayi Joyce,
What?
Tanteka, I want you in my office now.
Sir, please don't call my parents.
Come.
Thandeka. Wait, etsa jwang ntweso? Eh?
Wonke umuntu uyawenza ama-mistake, Mosbe.
What's working Thandeka? If batho ba bang bana ba sa etse di-stupid mistakes nkabe re se mona ona jona jena.
And as if abanye abantu bebangasinikiselen treatment, ngabe siyakhona uku-explain kwenzakaleni.
Ubue kae?
What your child has done is brought an entire school to a standstill. It could have led to a major crisis.
Mr. Van Donder, sir, we really apologize. Like, I'm sorry, Joe. I'm sorry. Like, we will sort this thing out as a family. So sorry, man.
I assure you. Wabona tonight, some people will not go out all night, but will sit down and sort this out as a family.
13 pupils needed treatment. Some of them had to be hospitalized. Our biology teacher went into early labor. All right, I mean, she named the child Cobus after me. But that is besides the point.
And if some people gave some people chance to communicate, they would know what you feel, Joe. That's why I couldn't call home.
If some people could just apologize, just say I'm sorry, then they wouldn't be sleeping on the couch tonight.
Sleeping on the couch?
Yes, Uncle.
Okay. So this actually wasn't about me. I had made it out live.
Oh, man, hey. And then? Hey, it's a kitchen, Makunzuan.
Tandeka, please. Now, let's watch it. Go for the look. Kia lounge, Kiloshavella generations. Kula hatwa tukwa, le hayi le ratanyana nje from lona kaofela. Ha ke le wena. Ha? Box.
Yeah, so what generation?
Hey, guys.
Yazi ukuthi ujeje usesibhedlela manje ngenxa yakho. And nami futhi ngizizwa ngathi yabona ngathi sisagula nathi. No. Njengoba ngisasho guys. Ngafika lapha yana ne manje ngoba unestress decide ukusigulisa. Yena abantu manje bazothini?
Bengikuphathuleni. Chicken kamazaka. Is smell. Yes. Lezo ipice. Our baby. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Tielam limnand. And so are you. Hey, mshini ulungisile lapha. Nto zakho ziyarana manje. How Joe, baby. Mwah. Askis, ngithe sorry ngithi. Askis. Ya, lamntwana. Ya, lamntwana.
Ngahlala nawe. Did you miss me?
Of course I did.
I know you did. I'm sorry.